Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle for today, the binary puzzle. In today's newspaper of Monday, March the 18th, 2024. And I've told you earlier, there are no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. So usually I solve the puzzles in the day before. We have 5 extra puzzles left in the weekend edition, but I've decided with the last puzzle, well, those puzzles left are too easy to solve and it's wasting my time. So let me if you have comments, please leave comments. If you have a request, please leave a request. But I won't do them anymore because I need also spare time for myself. So not too much. So in the evening I will I won't do the rest of the puzzles in the additional of the yesterday's newspaper. The weekend edition. All right, the binary. By the way, the news of the day. Today, 163 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel, and the war is still going on. And they want to in Rafah, they want to go inside that city, but it will be a massacre. Anyway, enough about the war. Let me see. 8, 2, 1, 3. This will be 8, 2, 1, 3. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in the row or in the column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Now the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes a 1. Between the O's comes a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. And now, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Well, double 1, here no, there no. Between those comes in 1. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to think now. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. 5 minutes. Well, we solve it again. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, so we'll do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute. No, not in a minute. Tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, a new day, new puzzles. I hope with extra puzzles in additional. But this evening, I won't do them. Yeah, the rest of the puzzles of the last Saturday, I believe. Yeah, Saturday, Sunday. It's too easy to solve those puzzles, so it's not a challenge. So anyway, see you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.